Here's the Gardening Club selection form that I set up at the last face-to-face class that we had. And here is my combo box. Here's my list box. And what I'm going to do now is add some menu items to it. So as I did before in the last face-to-face class, I'm going to take the menu strip, pull it up here, and we're going to have a component tray that shows up down here which says menu strip. Now right up here I'm going to type file, but before I type file I'm going to put an ampersand sign in front of it. Ampersand file. What this ampersand sign does is create an access key. And an access key will allow the user to choose file, for example, by hitting the Alt F key. He doesn't have to click on it. And under file we'll put exit, E-X-I-T. Next to file, we're going to put format. Now I can't use F again because F was being used for file. So I'll put capital F, ampersand, O-R-M-A-T. The ampersand comes before the O. And I spelled format wrong? No, I spelled it right. And what this does is it creates the ampersand or the Alt O to call the format file. And under format, we're going to have font, and we will put color. And as you recall, if I want to put a separator between, I click on the left mouse button. Let me bring it back up. Click on the left mouse button, and there should be an insert here, and I want to insert a separator, and it puts a separator between the two. And the last one here, I'll put help, and I'll put ampersand H-E-L-P. And then when I do a Alt-H, the help menu will come out, and I will put about under that. Okay. There we go. File, format, help. You notice a little line under the F. That means Alt-F, bring up file. Alt-O will bring up format. And Alt-H will bring up help. Now as I do it, you can also see right over here we had some more properties. One is shortcut key display string. Shortcut keys is another one. And show shortcut keys, and that's set to true. If I hit this one, say for file, let's put file here, and I say show shortcut keys, I want the Alt key to be the modifier when it comes up. So let's just run this and see if it works. There it is. Now I'm going to hit Alt F. There's my exit. Alt O. There's what's under format. Alt H. There's help. One other nifty little thing I want to show you in this video is something called tooltip. You can drag tooltip, drop it onto the form, and right here I get it in my component tray. So it's tooltip. And what I can do now is put, if I look, say for example, the list box, if I look under here, another property will show up in tooltip on this one. Now if I just click on this, click down, I can write what kind of tip I want to give the user as they move their cursor over it. In this case I'll say choose one or more tree selections. Okay, something like that. Hit enter, just kind of close it. Okay, choose one or more tree selections. So now let's run it. I'll show you what happens. Start. And here it is. If I move my cursor over this, choose one or more tree selections, it gives a hint to the user on what they should do. Okay, so that's it for this video. In our next video, we'll talk about adding fonts and color changes.